Hello guys, and welcome to a new YouTube series where we'll be looking at the applications of origami in aerospace engineering. And to start things off, with our first video, we'll be looking at the laws that govern origami. So to begin, before we move on to looking at the laws that govern origami, let me just introduce you to some new key terminology that you need to continue on this series. So on the left hand side of the diagram, with the annotated diagram, we have a label diagram which shows a mountain fold and valley fold, and basically the dashed line, as I said, represents the mountain fold, and the bottom line, the bottom straight line, represents a valley fold, and that's it. There's not much to it. You'll just have to memorize which one's which. And down below you have a small a white sheet which shows a crease pattern, and basically a crease pattern is essentially a blueprint for any origami fold. And yeah, that's it. So moving on back to the laws that govern origami, first law we'll look at will be two-colorability. And basically, two-colorability states that for any two adjacent, basically for a crease pattern which is colored in two colors, for any two adjacent folds, the colors will never be the same. And yeah, that's it for two-colorability. Not much to it. Now, having a look at the angles around the vertex, and basically what this law states is that for all the even number angles, will form a straight line, and the same goes for all the odd number angles, which also form a straight line. To put this into perspective, let me just help visualize it to you guys. So here, where I've just drawn a circle, this would be initially our this would initially be our vertex, and then we would, let's say we have 6 angles. So let's label this 1, 2, 3. Sorry, my bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is just like a zoomed in picture of a vertex in a crease pattern. And what the law states essentially is that once folded, we would get all the even number angles on a straight line, so 2, 4, and 6. And then we would get the odd number angles in a straight line, so 1, 3, and 5. And yep, that's it for angles around the vertex. Moving on to our third law, let's have a look at mountain valley counting. So for any interior vertex, the mountain folds minus the valley folds, M representing mountain folds and V representing valley folds, M minus V is always equal to plus or minus 2. So this must be satisfied in order for something to be an actual origami fold. And moving on to our fourth and final law, which basically states that for essentially if we have a fold, a sheet cannot penetrate this fold. And yep, that's it for our laws of origami, and hope you guys understand. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next video.